souls of man will hear a mighty sound resounding in the sky. In power and great glory, King Jesus will appear and take his children home to paradise. It will be a celebration for the ones who chose his name. One total celebration for the ones who turned away. Are you ready for the trumpet? Are you ready for the call? Soon the angels will assemble to usher in the Son of God.
Will he come before you faithful?
Will we know your name at all? Every moment brings us closer. Are you ready for the call? The Bible speaks of two men who were standing in the field, where one is taken, one is left behind.
Do we believe the preacher? One goes and one remains. So get your house in order.